Hello, I'm Cliff Munson with Rotovac. I'm going to take a few minutes here to show you some important tips and pointers of how to use and maintain your Rotovac 360 properly. When you get it out of the box, the handle will be in the down position, upright. First thing you want to do is learn how to remove the cleaning head. That's the most important part of your everyday maintenance. The cleaning head removes in a clockwise direction, looking at the bottom point of view. So to take off the cleaning head, what you want to do is strike this portion of the head with your hand, and it unscrews, comes right off. The most important part of your maintenance is to keep this head clean so you can wash out under a faucet. Right here you see you have a felt seal. This is your vacuum seal, which retains the vacuum between the head and the bottom of the machine. You want to make sure that this felt seal stays in good condition and is always in place prior to returning the head to the machine. So when you put the head back on the machine, make sure it stays in place and it screws back on in the opposite direction. Just like that. Now you stand your machine up. First thing you want to do is extend the telescoping handle, then lock it into position. Next, we want to adjust the angle of the handle. So that's this lower knob. Loosen the knob, and then adjust your handle down to a position. You want it in an angle where your arms are almost straight down during operation. You don't want it up here, it'd be too hard to control. You don't want it down too low where you're bending over. You want it to be in a position where you're standing comfortable with your arms almost straight down during operation. When you get the right position, lock it in by tightening this lower nut. Now the proper position, like I was saying, is with your arms almost straight down. The speed control is there. Normally you run it on high speed. But if there's any problem at high speed, such as the head is jumping around or it's not handling properly, then you can adjust the speed down to a lower RPM. For whatever results you need to get, the speed control will adapt to a wide variety of carpets. Well, that pretty much covers everything on your new Rotovac 360. Keep in mind, if you have any questions, any problems, call us at our toll-free number and we'll be glad to help you out. The toll-free number at Rotovac is 888-768-6822. Thanks a lot.